Hey you guys, we recently got a new vehicle, and while I didn't want to gum up all this area with stuff, I decided to purchase these things that you put in the gap between your seat and the console. They slid right in. They come in different colors. They come with the gap thing right here, so you can take it in and out so you can have a gap. This is perfect for me because it can hold my wallet right there. I can put my glasses right there. I can put my phone in this spot, whatever it may be. Over here, your passenger has room to put their phone or their glasses or their wallet or sanitizer or whatever it may be that you need to put in there. My husband uses the one in his car for Post-its and pens, and his sunglasses. All kinds of possibilities that you could use for them. We definitely recommend them. I got the ones in black. They do have other colors available, but black just went with my car better. Thumbs up all around. Wonderful investment. Great addition to any car. It also helps so you don't lose things in between here, whether it be a french fry or your phone, which is what I dropped a lot, but my phone fits perfect right here. I have a larger phone and it fits great, and then my wallet right there, and I can even fit my glasses with my phone right back here. So great investment all around. Would definitely recommend. Thumbs up if you find this review helpful, and I hope you're having a great day.